So I just purchased my Ortho mosquito station here. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything it comes with. I'm going to show you all the features. I mean, everything, explain it, show you how it works, and then go ahead and put it into action too. I've got tons of mosquitoes out here. As I'm filming this right now, I've already seen several mosquitoes, and I know I definitely need this. I've even have some inside my house that I've seen this morning that I've killed. It's pretty awful. It's been raining here lately and it's hot and humid. It comes in a few parts here. One thing to know about this is good for 4,300 square feet. So depending on the size of your property, you could need more stations. You can't, like I have an acre here, and you can use up to 15 stations per acre. It comes with these 2 packets of chemicals, and I'll open these up here in a minute and show you how that works, but each one is good for 1 month. So let me just explain to you how this all works. So when I put these chemicals in here, we're going to have mosquitoes actually go in here and lay their eggs. Now, when the larvae touch the water, it has the powder that's inside of it. It's going to go ahead and kill the larvae. Also, when the mosquitoes go in here, they're going to get some of that residue on them, and when they go to lay eggs at other places, get another water to lay their eggs, it's going to contaminate that water and kill even more. And it takes right around 9 days for that whole cycle to go ahead and get broken and kill everything. So since you are going to replace these once a month, on the top here, this does have, I'd say it's kind of like a little dial here. It's got different months here, of course 1 through 12. On the back side here, you can easily see a little bit better. So as you change these packets out and dump out the water, you're going to go ahead and just change that. And that way it's going to be a reminder. I like to put things on my phone, my calendar. That way I know exactly when I did do everything. It does come with a little ring here inside, and you'll see that here in a second too when I take this packet out. Also, this holds about right around a gallon. So we're going to go ahead and fill it up. There's a line right here, and that's where we're going to go ahead and just fill it up to. So let's go ahead and get started and get this ready. So what I've done is I filled this up full of water. I've got right around a gallon in here. Of course, I've opened this up, and there's 2 different things in here. We've got some powder in here. And also this is a ring. It's kind of like a mesh ring. Now this does have that chemical on here, and so when the mosquitoes actually come in here to lay their eggs, they may get on this right here, and this is the powder that's going to get onto their body. So we want to put it on this ring. It has you see here, it has some hooks. They're going to go towards the bottom. So now that I have this mesh ring onto the plastic ring, I'm just going to set it aside for a second. I'm going to take my packet here, and I'm going to go ahead and just put it into the water. Just shake it all out. That way when the larvae get in here, they are going to die. Now I'm going to get my little ring here. I'm going to set it into the water. See, it actually just sits there and just floats. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this top on here, like this. We've got an opening right here, and this is where the mosquitoes are going to go in. I set this onto the month. I've got this installed. And then I just set that on there just like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to carry this to the area that you want to go ahead and treat. Just make sure you don't put this in direct sunlight. You just want to put it maybe around the edges of your house and bushes, just anywhere there's some shade and there's mosquito activity. So this is the area that I want to treat. It's always shaded over here, and I've got a ton of mosquitoes. I know here in a minute they're going to start swarming me, so I'm going to get out of here. But this is going to go ahead, this is going to be the spot that I'm going to put it in. I could get some more stations and definitely put it around here in my area, around my backyard where I get a lot of mosquitoes. But it's easy to set up. It probably only takes maybe just a few minutes to go ahead and get that ready. I'm real happy with it. I'm looking forward to eradicating some of my mosquitoes, and I hope you found this review helpful.